In the last video, I've shown you how to select high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. In this video, we'll dig deeper into the process of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. Plus, I want to show you a simple way of getting approved by a product vendor even if you're a complete newbie. This is because Product Creator have the ability to check an affiliate's credentials, and thus they might just rely on your new stats when deciding whether to allow you to promote for them or not. So I'm teaching you how to overcome these particular dilemmas in this video as well. First, let's go back to warriorplus.com. Click on Affiliates and then Offers on this page. On this page, you'll see the latest affiliate offers inside Warrior Plus. On the right side of the page, you can see the number of sales that I've gotten to the products I've promoted. On the other hand, these notification signs that you see are for new offers that just launched. When you visit the page, you can see all these different details like product vendor, launch date, sales conversion rate, etc. Now we have to look at two important things. Number one, take your cursor over here where you can see the red oval with dollar signs. These are the top 1% vendors. You can also see gold ovals with dollar signs. These are the top 5% vendors. This means these vendors are really making big sales and they should be on top of your list. Number two, check how many sales they've got. If they have 500 plus sales, it is converting very well. Then look at their conversion rate over here. Anything which is above 12% is considered very well. Even 10% is fair enough. So you have to choose offers which are converting above 10 to 12%. Next, check their visitor value, and it must be more than $1. So again, you have to look at these parameters. Number one, check the 1 to 5% vendors. Only promote these legit sellers who are promoting or launching good offers all the time. Then the sales should be at least 500 plus, and the conversion rate should be 12%. Let's say the sales are just a 50 plus or 100, but the conversion is 20%. Then that is still good. This just means that a new product which is just launched maybe a few hours back. Anything above 12% conversion rate is good. The higher, the better. Another thing you should be checking is the visitor value, which should be $1 plus. You'll notice all the offers at the top of the list have fulfilled these criteria. So once you've checked the above, the next step is to click the Request button for these offers. Once you do that, it will take you to a particular page, and then you have to click on the Request Approval button. You can also click View Sales Page and have a look at their preview. If you are a complete newbie and don't have credentials, there's one thing you can do. Click the vendor's name and you can already see his profile. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see Connected Accounts. Let's click on Facebook, and here is the complete ninja trick you can do as a newbie. When you are already on his Facebook account, message him saying that you're a new person in affiliate marketing, but you're building your list. You can also say, I have targeted traffic and aware of the importance of staying away from junk sources. So please allow me to promote your products. You can mention the name of your marketing mentor if it matters. Tell them you'll send them good traffic from the traffic sources which you can mention. You can also tell them you don't mind being set to delayed commission if you're okay with the terms. And if you want to go the extra mile, you could prepare your bonus page or review video in advance. This way, you're not only reaching out to the vendor and building rapport, you're also showing you've done your homework. So most of the time, they approve newbies like you. But if you don't do this and the vendor just sees your newbie account with 0 sales, they will not accept you 99% of the time. So follow these steps and you'll be able to select the highest converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And you'll also be able to get approved, ready to go and promote. In the next video, I'll show you another marketplace, aka Secret Affiliate Cash Vault number 2, where you can make money on a daily basis and how to select offers inside that marketplace.